Hi everyone, welcome to Bar and Creations. Today I will show you how to make gesso. To make this you need 4 things, that is talcum powder, white paint, white glue and some water. Now let's start to make. I had taken 1/4 cup talcum powder, pour it into an empty bowl. Take white glue and pour 1 tablespoon of white glue. Pour 1 tablespoon white glue. Take white paint, 1 tablespoon of pour 1 tablespoon white paint and mix well. Now take some water and pour into the bowl to get the desired consistency, but don't pour too much of water. Mix well, it should be lump free. Our homemade gesso is ready. Now store it in a airtight container. You can use it whenever you want. It is same as the store bought. Thanks friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit bell icon to get notified. And thanks for watching once again and share your opinions. Thank you.